Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Crazy Cooking Show. Today our brave contestants will cook with a very unusual ingredient combination. I won't tell you what it is yet, but trust me, it's surprise. The judges are ready, the chefs are nervous, and the kitchen is, well, probably in danger. Let's begin and see what chaos happens today. Wow!
Welcome to Crazy Cooking Show. Today, 3 contestants will cook via surprise ingredient. The surprise ingredient is chicken and chocolate. Hey, you have 1 hour. Start now.
Okay, we are looking for creativity, flavor, and representation. Please focus.
Oh no, I don't know how to cook that. I am mixing chocolate and chicken. I hope it works.
Time's up. Present your dishes.
This is chocolate chicken soup.
Interesting.
Interesting. Means bad.
Easy, I am the best chef here. Look at my dish. Look at my chin. This is my chocolate chicken deluxe.
And good presentation.
This taste is confusing.
Wait, what are we cooking? Oh no, is that my food? I made grilled chicken with chocolate sauce.
This is already a disaster. And please don't burn the kitchen again.
You're honest. I like that.
Good effort, everyone.
The winner is a contestant number 2.
I knew it!
Good effort, everyone.
See you next time. See you next time. Is the kitchen survives.
Wow, what a competition. We saw confidence, panic, burned food, delicious dishes, and a lot of chocolate everywhere. The judges made their decision, and the kitchen somehow survived. Again, thanks to you for watching Crazy Cooking Show. Join us time for more drama, more cooking, and maybe, well, small fires. See you soon.